The name Santos at Cartier isn't just another collection, it's history in motion. Born in 1904 from a friendship between Louis Cartier and Brazilian aviator Alberto Santos Dumont, the Santos became the world's first true pilot's watch and arguably one of the earliest wristwatches for men. Fast forward more than a century, and that legacy continues, this time redefined in two bold new ways. Today, we're diving deep into two new Santos de Cartier LM models, the full titanium Santos LM and a black luminous steel LM that brings an unexpected modern twist to Cartier's signature elegance. Since its major revamp in 2018, the Santos de Cartier line has become the Maison's vision of an elegant sports watch, blending refined Parisian style with the practicality of modern design. We've seen skeleton dials, ADLC coatings, colorful variants, even chronographs. But this year, Cartier has done something more subtle, yet far more impactful. Two watches, both in the large LM size, both automatic, yet worlds apart in look, feel, and personality. Let's start with the steel version, understated, luminous, and quietly powerful. At first glance, the Santos de Cartier LM steel with black luminous dial, reference CAR SSA 00096, might not seem revolutionary, but look closer, and the details start to shine. Literally. This is the first time Cartier combines a classic stainless steel case and bracelet with a fully lumed dial, previously reserved for ADLC-coated versions. The dial is a mix of textures, vertically brushed at the center, sunray brushed at the edge, creating subtle depth under shifting light. The white Roman numerals and sword hands are coated with super luminova, glowing vividly in the dark while maintaining Cartier's signature elegance by day. The case remains true to the LM proportions: 39.8 mm width, 47.5 mm lug to lug, 9.38 mm thick, perfectly balanced between presence and comfort. Finishing is classic Cartier. Brushed case surfaces, polished bevels, and that signature polished bezel with exposed screws. On the side, the heptagonal crown carries a blue spinel cabochon, a Cartier trademark since the beginning. Inside beats the Calibre 1847 MC, an automatic in-house movement running at 4 Hz with a 42-hour power reserve. Reliable, robust, and simple to service. The bracelet includes Cartier's quick switch system for 2 free strap changes and the SmartLink system for easy adjustment. Each watch even ships with an additional nubuck alligator strap, adding versatility for formal wear. At €9,000, this luminous steel LM might be one of Cartier's most wearable, functional Santos models, sporty by nature, elegant by design. And now, the real star of the show, the Santos de Cartier LM Full Titanium, reference CRWSSA 0089, the very first all-titanium Santos in the brand's history. Cartier has experimented with titanium before, but never like this. This new LM is crafted entirely from grade 5 extra-low interstitial titanium, also known as grade 23. The same ultra-pure alloy used in aerospace and medical applications. The result? A watch that feels both familiar and utterly new. Dimensions are identical to the steel version, 39.8 mm by 47.5 mm by 9.38 mm, but thanks to the titanium construction, the weight drops below 100 grams compared to 145 grams in steel. That means drastically improved comfort and wearability, especially on a large wristwatch like this. But what really stands out is the finishing. Cartier replaces the traditional brushed surfaces with a fine bead-blasted matte texture, giving the watch a soft industrial look. The bezel, normally polished, is also blasted matte, with the polished screws providing the only contrast. Even the crown is reimagined. Instead of a blue cabochon, we have a black spinel, completing the stealthy monochrome aesthetic. It's a fascinating duality, still unmistakably Cartier, yet stripped of its jewelry-like shine. A watch that's more tool than ornament, more pilot's instrument than Parisian accessory. Inside, the same caliber 1847 MC keeps things simple and reliable, and while the titanium bracelet uses traditional screws instead of SmartLink, it retains the quick switch mechanism so you can easily swap to the included gray nubuck strap. The real surprise? The tactile experience. That ultra-lightweight titanium changes everything. It makes the Santos LM feel modern, wearable, and surprisingly technical. Even the visual personality is transformed. With its silvery white dial, black Roman numerals, and blued steel hands, it's more understated than ever. Cartier says the machining process for this model takes twice as long as for steel due to titanium's hardness. That explains its price of €11,400, which feels entirely fair given the precision, finishing, and rarity of a full titanium Cartier. Together, these two new Santos de Cartier LM models show just how far this collection has come. The black luminous steel LM, bold, legible, and sporty, proves Cartier can do functionality without losing its French flair. The full titanium LM, on the other hand, is Cartier entering new territory. Minimal, technical, and purpose-driven. It may look different, but it's still every bit a Cartier. Balanced, architectural, and unmistakably refined. From the cabochon crown to the exposed screws, from history to innovation, the Santos remains one of the few watches that can bridge the gap between tool and jewel. So, which one would you choose? The sleek new titanium Santos or the luminous steel LM? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive reviews on the most fascinating watches of our time.